Hello, my name is Derek, and I'm a test prep expert here at Magoosh. And I'm here to talk to you today about how to manage test anxiety and perform your best on test day. If you like this video, take a moment, like the video, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for tons of more content similar to this. All right, tip number 3. And this may go unstated, but be prepared, right? As simple as that. Be prepared. I ask you this, right? If I was going to tell you, I'm going to give you a test tomorrow of 50 multiplication and addition, single digit problems, would you be nervous? Probably not, because you're prepared. You know your times tables inside and out. You know how to add, you know how to subtract, you know how to divide. So you can find all the ins and out ways to answer those questions. The same needs to be said for standardized tests. They are predictable. I know they seem daunting. I know the ACT, the SAT, the GRE, the LSAT, the GMAT, and all other exams seem like they're from this out of scope, out of this world experience. But in a very truthful way, these exams are predictable. Knowing them inside and out, knowing the time structure, the ways to manage time on the exam, knowing the type of material that would be asked is a great way to prepare yourself. Knowing it as well as the back of your hand is going to be a great way for you to be prepared for the exam. Magoosh does a great job of providing you all the resources that you need to do well on these exams. In addition to Magoosh, all of the test prep creators provide free material that you can also use to prep for the exam. So this constant drilling, diligence, and learning evolution is how you really help get rid of some of those testing anxieties that you have leading into test day. So preparation is key. It's very hard to run a marathon on day one of your training, but as time goes on, you'll be able to get those miles in. And then sooner or later, after a certain amount of training, you'll be able to run a full marathon. Every journey is impossible until you take that first step, and then you realize you're closer and closer each and every day. So preparation is key, and I mean deep preparation, drilling. So for example, on Magoosh, we have videos to each of our questions. After you answer a question, watch the video, and then guess what? A few days later, try the question again. See if you can answer it in a different, unique type of way. The key is that level of drilling and preparation that will help put your mind at ease and know that you can succeed on test day. So I look forward to talking more about that and providing you a few more tips as to ways to get ready for your exam and get rid of the testing heebie-jeebies.